Hello everyone, welcome to the market outlook for the week. Gaurang Shah here from Geojit Financial Services, and as I speak to you this Monday afternoon, markets are down, but there has been recovery from the day's low. As I speak to you, the levels on the markets, Sensex is down about 600 and it's down about 260 points. Levels are 60,430. Nifty is down about 80 odd points at 17,770. Nifty Bank down 265 points. Levels are 41,295. And on the Indian rupee, dollar, and crude oil, well, the Indian rupee is down to the dollar. Levels are 82.70 rupees to a dollar. And on crude oil front, Brent is at $85.53 per barrel. NYMEX is at about $78.88 per barrel. Both NYMEX and Brent are trading with a negative bias. On the markets, well, after the eventful last week, whether it was the credit policy, whether it was the budget that we have dissected by now, or whether it was the announcement made by Fed, I think all these things are now done and dusted. Q3 earnings season is on its last leg. Next week will be curtains down on Q3 earnings, and our sense is that there has been better performance in Q3. There has been no large negatives. Company specific, there might be some misses here and there, but no big negative surprise from Q3 earnings. So the range on the market in the Nifty spot, if you ask me, friends, what we've been maintaining on the lower side, 17,500, 17,600 plus or minus 50 odd points. And on the higher side, 18,000, 18,200 plus or minus 50 odd points. I think that's going to be the broad range. Now, even in today's market, what we have witnessed is there has been some amount of buying that has been happening at lower level. There are stock specific, sector specific moves that we are seeing. And our sense is that the market may trade in a range, but there is going to be opportunity in sector and stock specific ideas. So and we've listed a whole host of them. And today, Prime Minister Modi has inaugurated the Aero Show in Bangalore. A lot of companies are participating. A lot of countries and companies are interested to be a part of Make in India, Made in India defense, defense FDI, etc., etc. So our sense is that sector and stock specific, you will see performance coming through. Having said that, don't see any huge sell-off from here on, nor do we see any large breakouts from here on. And we always maintain that longer period the markets spend in a range, a stronger and durable bottom has been made, a strong foundation is made, which helps in future recoveries to be sustainable. So we hope that we will trade in this range. There will be days when you will see profit booking. There will be days when you will see value buying coming in sectorial themes and ideas. And that's how the markets is likely to react. So we've been sharing investment ideas from a long-term point of view on the fundamental side every time we interact with all of you all. Today, we have got two investment ideas from the broader markets. One is from the logistic sector, if you will, keeping in mind the national logistic policy that the government has announced. And of course, the benefits of contribution coming in from this particular sector. The name of the company is Transport Corporation of India. Large fleet, very strong network, and outlook looks extremely strong in terms of earning visibility. So the first pick is from the logistics sector, Transport Corporation of India. The second one is from the private sector, mid-cap, if you will, and the name of the bank is IndusInd Bank. There has been a lot of news flow in the past on this bank, but there has been very strong and steady recovery in the earnings. And our view is that banking sector overall, not only IndusInd Bank, but overall banking sector, be it public or private, you are likely to see very strong performance coming not only for this financial year or next financial year, but for over a prolonged period of time. So two investment ideas. First one is from the logistics sector, Transport Corporation of India. And the next one is from the private sector, mid-cap universe, if you will, IndusInd Bank. Thank you very much for your patience hearing, and I'll see you again next week. Till then, take care. Bye.